Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we unpack the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word for today is bid. It's a B2 level verb, and it means to offer an amount of money for something. So, what exactly does it mean to bid? Well, in simple terms, it means to make an offer, usually in an auction or a competitive situation, to buy something or to do a job. Think of it like raising your hand at an auction to say you're willing to pay a certain price for an item. Now, let's explore some synonyms for bid that will help expand your understanding. One synonym is offer. For example, instead of saying I want to bid on that painting, you could say I want to offer $500 for that painting. Another synonym is tender, particularly in the context of contracts or jobs. For instance, the company decided to tender a bid for the construction project, or the company decided to offer a bid for the construction project. A further synonym is propose. You might propose a bid to a client. We will propose a bid that is competitive and fair. Now, let's move on to antonyms. What words express the opposite of offering a price? One antonym could be withdraw. If you bid and then change your mind, you might withdraw your bid. For example, he decided to withdraw his bid at the last minute. Another antonym is reject. If someone's bid is too low, it might be rejected. The auctioneer rejected his bid because it was far below the asking price. Also, consider the opposite action of receiving a bid, which could be decline. If you decline an offer, that means the same as decline a bid. She declined the bid because it was too low. Let's look at how bid is used in everyday life. You'll often hear it in the context of auctions, online marketplaces like eBay, or in business negotiations. For example, she won the antique vase with a bid of $200. You might hear someone say, he's planning to bid on a house at the upcoming auction. In business, companies might bid for contracts. Several companies are bidding for the government contract. You can also use bid in slightly more abstract ways. For example, the athlete made a bid for Olympic glory, meaning they tried very hard to achieve it. Here are some more example sentences and phrases to solidify your understanding. The starting bid for the car is $10,000. I'm going to bid as high as I can afford. Did anyone bid more than $50? The company's bid was the lowest, so they won the contract. The government is inviting bids for the new railway line. Let's recap. Bid, a B2 level verb, means to offer an amount of money for something. Synonyms include offer, tender, and propose. Antonyms include withdraw, reject, and decline. It's commonly used in auctions, online marketplaces, and business negotiations. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic adventure. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn new words. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word bid and share it in the comments section below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.